Today I was planning on doing a review of the little laundry machine that I purchased. Um, I'll flash up some specs and stuff on the machine right here. Okay, this is the Best Choice Products Portable Compact Twin Tub Laundry Machine and Spin Cycle. 13-pound capacity, white and blue. Um, it's actually a very uh, nice machine, uh, but this says that I can only put in 5 pounds in the wash and 3 pounds in the spin. So I'm uncertain as to where the 13-pound capacity comes in, but we'll see. But there was a little problem. I washed the clothes just fine. I put them through the spin cycle just fine. Um, but because of my last test, I didn't feel like that rinsed them well enough, so I ran it through the wash cycle again without adding detergent. But when I put them back in the spin cycle isn't working anymore. I have contacted Amazon, um, who are very nice. Ash, the young lady I spoke with, was very polite. It's because the product is coming from a third party. All she could do was contact them on my behalf, and that I should expect a reply from them within the next 24 to 48 hours. So we're just waiting. Hopefully, I can get it replaced, or get a refund. Maybe look at a different product. This one is a little larger than what I'm wanting, and also I have concerns about just how much water it's using. Being out there boondocking, water is going to be something that I really have to watch the use of. So I will be doing some more research. There is one that the couple that I watch, David and Jenny from Fate Unbound, that they have, which is almost half the cost of what this one was, even though it's a manual spin and wash. Doesn't do it by itself, but there's no power going to it, so I may look at going that route instead. It's just a wait and see at this point. Other product reviews I was going to be looking at, I started looking at all the stuff that I've already purchased, and things like the leveling jacks, the Levelmate Pro, the torque wrench. All of that is I really can't test them until I get the trailer, so can't do anything on that. I have also purchased a dryer rack that I can that folds flat for storage and travel days. So nothing special about it, but I did realize I needed it, and it was fairly cheap, so I went ahead and purchased it. And the drone, I really want to get out and practice with that, but it's just been so cold here. I can't bring myself to go out there and stand in and fly a drone around. So that may be a while before I actually do that. So anyway, that will be all for today. I thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share, comment, everything, guys. I do appreciate so much you watching these videos. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching the Phenomenal Phive. Here are a couple of more videos for you. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Also, you can check out my Star Trek Online Mission Walkthrough channel. Thank you.